You might know your style, but I bet you didn't know why you like your style. Hi, I'm Natalia. I'm the dopamine designer. I help people create spaces that they love that are based on their interior design personality. Have you ever been looking through a bunch of interior design pictures and you're just like, I like a bunch of these things, but yet they're different interior design styles? Or you are drawn to certain things, but you don't know what the interior design style it is? Well, that's because interior design styles are just colors and shapes and textures put together in kind of a similar way. Like, we're just humans, we just made all this up. What my system does is breaks it down into shapes, colors, and textures so that you have an interior design personality type and not necessarily an interior design style. So if that's something that you're interested in learning, you can go to the link in my bio and take the quiz. But remember, at the end of the quiz, you're going to be given a link to download a free primer, because even if the quiz doesn't nail you 100%, chances are that once you download the primer, you'll be able to look at the pictures in the primer and decide what your type is. And once you know that, then you can come back to my page and learn more about your interior design personality.